You're crazy, man. Total.
Jeg var ikke hurtigt med dig, var? 7 knob.
Ja.
The harbor.
Sådan går det jo. Det er spændende at se, om vi skal sejle i modvind jo.
Where's the harbor?
The harbor? I think it is way.
Very cheap.
Yes, good price for you, my friend.
Give a special price.
Good price. Nice
Just
price.
works.
Yes. And we see the sails here. We are sailing in mode wind. Yes. I think we have to span this wind thing in.
Watch out for the boy.
Oh shit, you are sailing the wrong way.
But I cannot turn because you are sitting in the front of the row.
Oh no. Oh shit.
You have full control over it. Have perfect control.
So we should move into.
I must call my secretary. I need some bubble gum.
Yep.
Hello.
Yes.
We are at the.
Take the camera.
You have a myre walking around on your finger. Yeah, we have Tino in action.
Have a problem.
Oh my god, we are chipping. We are chipping.
Det virker ikke lige så godt med chip, den der ting der.
See the speed. The speed is very. We are sailing directly to the seals. What's the situation? Can we get a situation report?
I think we have to start the engine.
The engine. Oh my god! It's gone out. There's no engine.
And your rope in.
The row. Now I have the rope in, and we will try to come out of this very chaotic situation. Now the engine is on, so we are in backup engine. And Tino are now giving full power to the engine. You can hear the engine pumping out. It's a V8. Tino is in chaotic mode.
Look,
He is crazy.
taking the sailing.
We are trying to come back here to Denmark. We are coming from Cyprus. But we have some technical problems.
We take a round tower.
We took the wrong way to Vietnam. Now we are trying to come out of the seals. We are being
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my god, there's no beer. There's no more beer. We are out of beer. Oh my god.
Shit.
And then
Knæk fri gear, du. Du kan sgu godt så der ikke sker noget, mand. Oh, fuck, man.
okay, we have solved the situation. And now we are here in Vietnam.
Fri gear, så skal det op på, den ikke virker.
See all the oil that is coming out of the water. It's all the oil that we are leaking. What? We are leaking oil.
Tænk han for siden.
It's white screen. Small red screen.
Skal vi gøre en mere?
I cannot drink anymore.
Mange megabyte.
Hello. We are live on the boat. We are in Denmark and the temperature is about 10 degrees Celsius.
Fucking cold.
It is fucking cold. And we are sailing with at least 1 mile per hour. And we have got a little Coke. And we need some tips soon.
We have some for the nose.
Yes.
and the weather is quite good. It's very Danish. Very good Danish weather, as usual. Business as usual. Everything is just as usual. We are making a 180-degree overview over Randers city, and as you can see, nothing has changed. Everything is the same.
Nothing.
And believe me, in about 100 years, it will look the same. Nothing changes. Nothing changes in Randers. Everything stays the same. But we have got pizzeria and banks and pawn shop. Yes, then it will take over.
911.
Yes.
Did it here?
911. Yep. So very good weather. We can see there's a little rain coming on, and it's usual Danish weather. And the wind is quite strong. You see it in Tino's hair. And the sail is up. What the fuck is the sail? And yeah, the date is 2007, and we are now about 30 years old, and as you can see, everything is just as usual. Business as usual, nothing personal. Yes, goodbye.